I'm doing a compression test. So I got the tester hooked up into the spark plug cylinder. I already tested this one and it came to 125. So just make sure that's tightened down. You have the right adapter. I had to use an adapter so it fit in there. And then make sure it's cleared on 0. And then I'm going to pull it 5 times. There's no gas in there and currently it's not starting. So yeah, I'm right about 125. That's where the other one was. So you want them to be, yeah, I'd say over 120 and at the same compression, which these are both. So I should have good compression. And then I cleaned out the gas tank fuel and cleaned the gas tank up. And then I picked up a inline tank, in-tank fuel pickup with filter and the check valve. So the check valve will keep fuel ready so you don't have to choke it. And then yeah, then it's got the pickup too and the filter. So this so then this goes in. I'm gonna have to pull this out here. And then make sure your lines are all good too. And then I'm going to throw this on the end of here. And then I'm going to add gas with the oil. I got the 2-stroke and it's a 6-gallon tank. And it's a 50-to-1 ratio. So compression's still holding, which is good. So I'm going to put the spark plugs back in. And I do have spark. You test for those too.